This is your number 5 nylon zipper pin fixing machine. Also, you can say pin mounting machine. Look at this zipper sample is from you with the field series, and then we use the ultrasonic hole punching machine and made the hole punching for you already. And then zipper come to here. Look at it's taking the pin. So this machine output is about 1,500 pieces per hour. Okay, this vibrator, the pin. And then look at the sample which made by pin already. Okay, because the pin which you give to us with different color plating. And also some plating, some without plating. Look at inside, some with the shining gold, some with the nickel. So mixed already. And this one, both of them are the shining gold. Okay. So this is the machine working situation. So you are interested for this machine, or if you have any question for this machine, please feel free to contact us. Bye.